Hello there, this is John V, Software Evangelist at JSCAPE. In a previous post, we showed you how you can monitor move file events and respond to them with an appropriate trigger action or actions. You can perform these types of operations on copy file events as well. So let's say you have a trigger that copies files from the folder C sample test upload to the folder C sample test storage. If you want a second trigger to respond as soon as the file copy operation completes, you can do that by simply adding a trigger that uses the file copy event type. In cases where you have several triggers that listen to the file copy event type, and you want this particular trigger to respond only to a particular file copy operation, you can add a corresponding trigger condition. For example, you can add a condition that would let this trigger respond only to those file copy events whose destination directory is C sample test storage. Once you've specified a trigger condition, you can then proceed and add a trigger action or actions that would execute if the trigger condition evaluates to true. So here in this example, I want this trigger to upload the file to a trading partner. To do that, I'll just add the trading partner file upload trigger action, select a trading partner to whom I want this file uploaded to, specify the file to upload, which in this case is just a copied file, so I just enter the destination file variable, and then specify the remote directory on the trading partner side. I then click OK to finalize the trigger creation process. So when a file is copied to the C sample test storage directory, that file will be automatically uploaded to the specified trading partner. That's it. Now you know how to monitor copied files and respond to a particular file copy event using JSCAPE MFT server.